The assembly instructions for the Gua Sha Image Skincare box assembly. So we're going to start with the base first. You're going to flip it over. You're going to reach in here, either using a tool or your finger, and you're going to separate that and roll the side up just like so. You're going to do the same thing on this side. Roll it up just like so. Then you're going to press in these corners just like this. And then you're going to tuck this into here, into these slots. And then you want to push this down like so. Take note that that flap needs to stick inward. Okay? After you finish that, you're going to do the same thing on the other side. Again, push the corners in like that while you use your thumbs to press down. And you're going to roll it over. You're going to stick the tabs in these little slots. And then push that down. Just like that. After you do that, you're going to take this piece. This is a platform. You're going to fold these legs down like this on each side. Just work your way all the way around. And then you're going to slide it in with the legs facing down, just like this. And push that all the way down. Next, you'll take your Gua Sha stone. This is not the actual Gua Sha. This is just the stone we had on hand. You're going to put it in here. Then you're going to take the logo insert. You're going to bend the tabs upwards with this tab facing up, like so. And you're going to place it over the stone. So it will slide in just like that, and it'll be flush with this level here. That is the base with the product inserted. All you have left is the lid. You're going to take this, you're going to fold it like this first. Then you're going to do the same thing you did on the bottom. You're going to push in the sides, just like that. You're going to hold it down. It's very important to hold the corners all the way in while you do this. And then again, take your fingers and push down like that. This will actually sometimes make a small little click to know that it's locked in place. You're going to turn around, do the same thing on this side, fold it over. Again, take your fingers, push it down. You might hear a little click as you get better at this. Then you're going to put the logo, make sure it's facing up, put the top box over it, just like so.